Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspots provide internet access by sharing bandwidth from Xfinity subscribers' home networks, forming a large public Wi-Fi network. These hotspots create a vast network across the country. Subscribers can automatically connect using their Xfinity ID and password for seamless access without data caps. Non-subscribers can use a guest access option, requiring a one-time sign-in with an email or phone number, limited to 24-hour sessions. Speeds vary based on the host subscriber's plan and current usage, typically ranging from 10 to 50 megabits per sec, aiming for a minimum of 25 megabits per sec. The network now includes Wi-Fi 7 technology in select hotspots and often uses hybrid 5G/4G backhaul to ensure connectivity. Google Maps integration also allows users to locate and connect directly through the app. Public Wi-Fi inherently carries security risks. Always use HTTPS websites and enable two-factor authentication for sensitive accounts. Avoid activities like online banking on hotspots. A VPN, virtual private network, is highly recommended to encrypt your data. Xfinity promotes its own VPN service for subscribers, reporting a 70% reduction in threats for users. Keep your devices updated and avoid sharing personal information. Treat all public Wi-Fi, including Xfinity hotspots, as untrusted networks for optimal online safety. Xfinity hotspots now feature WPA3 encryption for all hotspots to enhance security.